Here is our complete circuit. There we have Bolt Wi-Fi module. Here we have temperature sensor, and this is our 240 volt 6 amperes relay module. So in this socket we have two types of switches. One is the staircase switch, which is two-way switch, and other two are normal switch, which is one-way switch. This one-way switch is for AC, or here in our case is for cooler. So just disconnect the two ends of the switches and connect one of the ends to the common terminal of the relay module and other end to the normally open terminal. Next we have staircase switch, or we can call it as two-way switch. Here we have three wires. So the middle one is the yellow wire here, which goes to the common terminal of the relay module, and the other two wires which are connected in the switches are for the normally open and normally closed terminal. Next we have to connect the 5 volt ground and analog pins of the Bolt Wi-Fi module to the temperature sensor positive terminal, negative terminal and output terminal respectively. Then we connect the GPIO pins 1 and 2 of the Wi-Fi module to IN1 and IN2 terminals of the relay module. At last we have to give the supply of 5 volts to the relay module from Wi-Fi module, so we connect the 5 volt and ground pins to the VCC and ground terminals respectively of the relay module. Now since our circuit is complete and ready, so let's go for real-time implementation. Okay Google, switch on the fan.
Switching on the fan.
Here you can see the cooler is on, and the Bolt app which I have created to manually control the devices over the internet, and where we can also see that the fan is off right now, and a Python program is running and continuously monitoring the temperature of the surroundings. Once the temperature of the surroundings falls below the threshold limit we have decided, the cooler will automatically switch off and the fan will be switched on. See, the temperature has fallen below the threshold, so cooler has automatically switched off and the fan has turned on. And we are also receiving texts and email alerts here over Telegram, email about the current temperature. Hence our motto of auto temperature regulation is fulfilled.